Hello friends, today we are going to see the derivation of the one of the formula that is used for calculating the weight of steel. Right, so what we are going to learn today, we are going to see what is diameter square by 162, or say diameter square divided by 533. Right, so how this formula is coming, that we are going to see the derivation of this. This is a very fundamental formula that is used for calculating the weight of steel bar. Alright, so for that, let us start. First thing we have is the density of steel, right? So density of steel, you all know this value, that is 7850 kg per meter cube is my density of steel, right? Then I need to convert this into kg per mm cube. So if I convert this, so 7850 kg. Now if I convert my meter cube to mm cube, so it will be 1000 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 1000 3 times, right? So it will become 7850 divided by 10 raised to 9 kg per mm cube, right? So it is 7850 kg per meter cube. Now next step, right? We know the formula for density, right? So my density formula is equals to weight upon volume, right? So weight of bar here, right, per meter length divided by volume, right, divided by volume. This is the equation of density, right? So from this we can find the equation of the weight of bar per meter length. So therefore weight of bar per meter length is given by density multiplied by volume, right? So density multiplied by volume, right? So now let us put the values here, right? So my density is 7850, all right? So density is denoted by the sign gamma, multiplied by volume is area into length, right? So area into length, right? So now density is 7850 divided by 10 raised to 9 multiplied by area of a circular bar is 5 by 4 diameter square multiplied by length is denoted by L. Okay, now if I simplify this, so it will become I'm considering my length per meter, so this L will be 1000 mm, right? So my pi value is 3.14, so 3.14 multiplied by 7850 divided by 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 9 multiplied by d square. Alright, so now if you solve this in your calculator, right, you'll get your answer as diameter square divided by 162.2, right? So that is what we started with, right? Our question is, what is this diameter square divided by 162 value, right? So how to derive this? So first this is the way that we need to derive our value, right? So this is how it is coming, diameter square divided by 162. Now second question is, what is diameter square divided by 533? So this is in terms of meter, right? This is per meter length, right? So but I can write here, right, weight of bar per meter length. Okay, So now suppose if I want to find my weight of bar per feet length, right? So generally in India we work on site in feet and inches, right? So if I want to convert this, so for that the conversion is 1 meter is equals to 3.2804 feet, right? 1 meter is equals to 3.2804 feet. So now if I want to convert this into feet, so let us find out weight of bar per feet length. So I simply need to multiply this by 162.2 multiplied by 3.2804. So this answer will be coming somewhere near to d square divided by 533, right? So this is nothing but a conversion of meter to feet. Okay, so we need to remember these two values because this will be very frequently used in your estimation and costing, right, to calculate the weight of steel bar. Alright, now let us use this formula and find out the weight of bar. Okay, so let us use it, right? So let us find out weight of bar for 8 mm diameter bar, right? So the weight of bar per meter length will be given by diameter square divided by 162. My diameter is 8, so 8 square divided by 162. So you'll get answer somewhere around 0.39 kg per meter, right? Similarly for 10 mm the value is we use same formula and the weight is 0.62 kg per meter. For 12 mm the value becomes 0.89 kg per meter. Now moving forward, for 16 mm bar the value will be 1.58 kg per meter. For next bar comes as for 20 mm bar the value becomes 2.47 kg per meter. For after 20 there is 25 mm bar. For 25 mm the weight is 3.85 kg per meter. Next is 28 mm bar. For 28 mm bar the weight is 4.83 kg per meter. And last we will calculate for 32 mm bar. The weight becomes 6.37 kg per meter, right? So all these values are calculated using the equation diameter square divided by 162, right? So you need to remember this equation, and if possible you try to remember all these values because these values for 1 meter length will be used very frequently for the estimation and costing, right? Okay, so I hope this will help you in your knowledge of estimation and costing. Thank you so much for watching.